Happy Friday. So it's lunchtime, I'm super hungry, and I felt like a mushroom Swiss burger. So today I'm gonna show you how I make my vegetarian mushroom Swiss. It's about 400 calories. I usually have it with some mini cucumbers. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm gonna start by warming up some olive oil in my pan. I'm gonna do a medium-high heat, and I'm probably gonna use 2 mushrooms, and these are just white mushrooms. And these are whole, so I'm gonna slice them up. And with mushrooms, I don't normally wash them because I hear that like waterlogs them. So usually I just brush them off really well. Do you guys wash your mushrooms? Let me know. I'm gonna throw these in my pan. And I'm also going to be slicing up some yellow onion. And I don't do a lot. Probably about like a 1/4 cup. I'm gonna salt and pepper them. And then I'm gonna push them off to the side of the pan, and I'll show you why. Because I wanna cook my burger at the same time as my onions and my mushroom. Is that really loud? That's probably so loud in the microphone. So I have here Impossible Burger, and this is my absolute favorite meat substitute. It's almost like eerily meat-like, but it makes really, really good burgers. So this is about a 1/4 of a package, which I think is around like 160 calories if you count calories. So I'm just gonna form that into a burger and plop it onto the open side of my pan. So while my burger and my veggies cook, I'm going to prepare my bun, and I always use these 100-calorie multi-grain English muffins. I absolutely love them. They're so versatile, and I use them for almost everything. But because they are 100 calories, that means they're low sugar, so they don't toast as well. So I'm gonna pop these in my toaster for like the highest possible setting, and that's gonna be like just enough, trust me. And while all that's going on, I'm gonna start slicing my cucumber. So my burger's almost done. I'm gonna put a slice of Swiss on it so it can get all melty. Boop. Now before I pull my mushrooms and onions off, there's one last thing that I like to do, and that's to add just a little bit of sugar. Not a lot, just a little sprinkling, just to kind of caramelize it a little bit. Trust me, it's delicious. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. It's really good. And gosh, I was just realizing this cooked so fast, I didn't really get a chance to talk to you guys. So why don't I talk to you now? How has your week been? Mine has been okay. It's been stressful. It's been a stressful month. But we're getting through it. All right, my mushrooms and onions are ready. I'm going to use just a little bit of light mayo. And then add my mushrooms and my onions. And there you have it, guys. Look at how delicious that looks. Isn't that just amazing? Oh, it smells so good, and I'm so hungry. So I'm gonna go sit down and enjoy lunch. I really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Of course, if you did, leave me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy today's recipe, I'm so sorry to hear that. Maybe next week's recipe will be for you. So be sure to tune in. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. That's like the best way to see my newest videos. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around. Bye.